Alright, what's up guys? This is actually the next day today, the video that's dropping right now. But I just wanted to thank every single one of you guys for helping me get to 400K. That's incredible. I could never imagine getting there. You guys are the best. I appreciate it. It motivates me to keep making videos and just having fun and adventuring. Damn, this Puerto Rican coffee is staining my teeth. It's excellent coffee. I also want to shout out the Volume dudes. They just dropped Volume 2. It's a video made by Mike Mastroni, filmed and edited, produced by Mike Mastroni. Features Eric Ballman, Drew Haas, Brady Tweedy, and Boyd Hilder. Absolutely incredible video, probably my favorite video to date. It's an amazing video. I'm gonna link it right here in the video and in the description below. If you guys want to check that out, I highly recommend it. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. There's our last day here. I'm heading out. We all have to clean this place up really good. It's kind of trashed at the moment. Coffee stains all over the floor. Just a lot of shit everywhere. We are heading out of here. Bags are all packed. It's been real, Puerto Rico. Sad to have this fun trip come to an end. Shout out to Nick. I love you, dude. Thank you. So I'll be back very soon. Los Bolsos. Alright, so change of game plans. I am not leaving today. We went to the airport and we realized we can go to the waterfall on the other side of the island. We can go on Nick's party boat tomorrow night. We can hit the skate park on the beach. Too many things to do. That makes it not worth leaving. So the day is just gonna continue. We're gonna hit the waterfall, skate park, just have a day. Oh man, I'm excited not to be going back to 27-degree weather in New York and snow. Hopefully this was a good decision. I believe it is. The day's gonna go well. After like 2 hours of driving up and down a windy mountain road, we have finally arrived at the waterfall. It looks absolutely incredible from up here. We're about to head down now. It's slick too. Oh my god. We made it. It's not an airplane. This is a waterfall. Beauty of nature. You're right. There. That's a drop.
Oh my god.
Shout out to Nick over here who got my lazy ass up the waterfall to jump off. It was super easy and not scary at all, but
You didn't even think about it, you just wanged it.
yeah, I don't know, man. That was totally worth it.
It's amazing.
Next to the top now.
Huh?
To the top.
I've never done it before. From there, it's because, like, you know how you have to hop forward?
Yeah, it's a long way.
Yeah, it's a super long.
When I was attempting to do the climb the first time, I put the GoPro in my mouth. Absolutely terrible idea. I dropped it in the middle of the pit and somehow I ended up stepping on it and Nick grabbed it from me like a boss. God, I would have been devastated without the
I can't believe you
GoPro.
stepped on it, dude.
Dude, I was like, I kind of just like, when it happened, I was like, oh, that's it. It's gone forever. Like, you can't see under the water. But I stepped on it. There was no kicker. Damn. Oh. Gotcha. Right here? The next adventure begins. We are headed to a skate park in the mountains on the ocean, if I'm correct. Huge transition. I have no air in my tire, I have a flat tire, so we're gonna try and find a tube or something in the middle of the mountains. I don't know.
If not, Nico said he's got you.
If not, Nico said he will hook it up with his back wheel. It's gonna be hard to find a tube out here, for sure. We're in the middle of nowhere. Oh damn, look at this place. I thought the session here was gonna be washed because I had a flat tire. And Nick's wheel is right side drive, I ride left hand drive, so he even offered to give me his wheel, but it didn't work. So I asked the director here if he had a pump, and they did, so. A little bit of air in here, just enough for a session. I'll get a few laps cruising around here with the GoPro.
do it. Right here.
Done.
Yo. Yo. Felt really good to get that tail whip out of the way. It's been like 4 months since I last did a tail whip.
Come on, next game, bro.
I've been avoiding that trick because of the ankle injury, but got my first one back. It feels great. Now the confidence is higher. Ankle's feeling excellent. What a night. What a night here in Puerto Rico. Where are we at?
Quebradillas.
Quebradillas?
Yeah.
Quebradillas, this bowl on the ocean, another skate park on the ocean. Damn. What a day it's been so far.
In the jungle, baby.
Holy shit, dude. Alright, the park just closed. That wraps up an amazing session here. The skate park in the mountains, on the water, on the beach right there. If you guys have yet to see Volume 2 yet from Volume Bikes, filmed by Mike Mastroni, it has parts from Boyd Hilder, Drew Haas, Eric Ballman, and Brady Tweedy. It is absolutely insane. It's my favorite BMX video to date. I watched it like 20 times last night before I went to bed. I definitely recommend you guys watching it. I'll link it right here. Shout out to the boys that everyone killed it on that. Mike Mastroni with the filming, the editing, the whole producing. Top quality video. Definitely watch that. If you guys enjoyed, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Stay tuned for the next video. Puerto Rico adventures continue. Peace out, guys.